Hi guys, this is Gil of Cargasan PH for Cargasan PH TV. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of a water pump for Chevrolet Sonic. So this it's an AC Delco brand. This is a good brand. Some Chevy cars and trucks has AC Delco parts. Okay, this is good as like the original. Okay, so here it is. Okay, sealed. Here comes with the gasket. Yeah, there. Okay, see. So this is for the Sonic 1.5. Uh, there. 1.4. Sorry, 2013 for it. Okay. So some you can see signs and symptoms of a failing water pump when your car is overheating and you lose some or yeah you lose some coolant from your reservoir. Okay, so there you go. Again, this is for Sonic, Chevrolet Sonic water pump, AC Delco brand. Okay, thanks, bye.